Hello dear students, I am Professor Neha Khare from SART Bhopal. Today we will discuss about energy and environmental engineering in this subject of module 1 discussed, and also today's topic is fossils fuel. So now fossils fuels, different types of fossils fuels, and how many in chemicals here also different gases include in fossils fuels. During the early parts of the biological history of the earth, so like pathogenesis, outpaste and activity of the consumers and decomposers. Fossil fuels are energy rich substances that have formed from remains of organic and lived 200 to 500 millions, approximately 200 to 500 millions years ago. So, chemically, fossil fuels largely consist of hydrocarbons, mainly included of hydrocarbons, which are compounds of hydrogen and also carbon. Some fossil fuels contains smaller quantities of other compounds after the accumulating sediments expert increasing heat and pressure for millions of years. On the ancient organism, hydrocarbons were formed examples is petroleum, coal and natural gas. Almost the entire transportation in the world is decomponent on crude oil, and as a parts of the supplies of fossil fuels in nature are finite. We shall be running out of them in the near future. So next, in this picture shown by the different types of plants, different types of organic materials like industries and dead plant material, dead animal material, and also these are the include and early years ago fossils and formation of fossils fuels. Next is coals. So coals is a part of a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel also different types of included like coals, natural gas and oils and also gases like gases also natural gases. So first is coal. Coal is the most abundant fossil fuel on the planet with a current estimated from 216 years global recoverable reverse to over 500 years at current uses rates. About the 250 and 300 million year ago, coal was formed on the earth in hot dumped region like coal rivers in the country comprises about 210 billion tons. Different years ago, in the for example the West Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, like different reservoirs located in these areas. In the central India, including Madhya Pradesh and also Andhra Pradesh, and passes sizable coals rivers reserve of the order of 22% of the total coal according to all over world. Coal is the mainly types of usable like anthracite, bituminous, lignite. So anthracite is a very hard coal. So in this 90% in this coal 90% of carbon contained. Bituminous coal is a soft coal. So bituminous coal also present in 85% of carbon content and lignite or brown coal. It is a brown coal. 70% of carbon content. This like is the brown coal and also anthracite coal in this picture and advantages and disadvantages of coal. Advantages is the highly net energy yield because it is a highly carbon contained, low cost, very low cost, minimum mining and combustion technology well developed. Air pollution can be reduced with different developed technologies. So it is reduced will be air pollution. And also disadvantages. Wait. Disadvantages of coal. It is a very high environmental impact, severe land disturbance, air pollution, and water pollution, high land use, very high land use, severe threat of human health, and also lungs infection during asthma problem, high CO2 emission when burned release radioactive particles into airs. So these are the all different disadvantages like human health and also animal health issue. Next is a crude oil or petroleum. So it is a part of a fossil fuel. Crude oil or petroleum oil, like oil is a sedimentary part, like rocks under the earth's surface, and it is a dark brown or greenish liquid that occurs naturally in deposit, usually benefit to the earth on the earth's surface. And oil is a millions of years to convert these into hydrocarbons. Crude oil due to heat, pressure, and catalytic action. It is a complex mixture of behavior hydrocarbons as a pressure increasing the porosity of the sources, different sources. Petroleum is clear. It is a cleaner fuels when compared to wood or coal, as it burns completely to leaves no residue. इंडिया हैज़ मल्टीपल लार्ज स्केल क्रूड ऑयल. आपने जैसा देखा होगा इंडिया में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लांट लग चुके हैं, ऐसे प्लांट जो कि क्रूड ऑयल को मतलब पेट्रोल और क्रूड ऑयल को प्रोड्यूस करने का काम कर रहे हैं. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक इंक्लूडिंग द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट द रिलायंस Jamnagar refineries owned by Reliance Industries and the Naira Vedinar refinery owned by the Naira Energy, and also several India Oil Corporation refineries like Panipat, Pradeep and Gujarat refinery. Okay, then other major refineries are operated by the Bharat Petroleum एंड ONGC, जो कि अभी इन पर करेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा बल्क अमाउंट में वर्क चल रहा है. एंड दीज आर द टू इंडस्ट्रीज आपको शो हो रही होंगी. फर्स्ट इज़ मुंबई रिफाइनरी एंड सेकेंड इज़ बीना रिफाइनरी. दोनों पिक्चर आपको शो हो रही हैं. बीना रिफाइनरी में बहुत लार्जेस्ट बल्क अमाउंट में रिफाइनरी प्लांट लगाया गया है, ये कि हमारे एमपी में ही है. एंड थर्ड इज अ नेचुरल गैस. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो पार्ट इन fossil fuel. Natural gas mainly consists of methane along with other inflammable gas like methane and propane. Natural gas is least polluted due to its low sulfur content and hence its clearest sources of energy. It is used both for domestic and industrial purpose. Natural gas is used as a fuel in thermal plant for generating electricity, as a sources of hydrogen gases in fertilizing industry, and also as a source of carbon in tire industry. Tire industry. Natural gas was formed from the remains of tiny sea animals and plants that died 200 to 400 millions years ago. Natural gas is also in this picture is a natural gas plant. India's natural gas plant included facilities like the प्रगति. एक ये प्लांट लगाया गया है जो कि ऑलरेडी आपको शोन हो रहा है. अदानी पावर प्लांट है ये, जिससे कि नेचुरल गैस का फॉर्मेशन होता है। अल्टरनेटिव फॉर फॉसिल फ्यूल, फॉसिल फ्यूल्स के लिए अल्टरनेटिव सोर्सेज कौन कौन से हैं? डिफरेंट सोर्सेज लाइक बायोमास, विंड एनर्जी, सोलर, न्यूक्लियर, वेव, टाइडल एंड ऑल्सो हाइड्रोजन एनर्जी. Next is biomass. Biomass is a renewable energy sources derived from solid carbonates and was waste material of various human and animal, plant and also natural activities and also dead materials. It is derived from numerous sources including the byproduct from wood industry, agricultural crop, raw material from the forecast household waste like domestic waste, kitchen waste, garbage waste, discard material from food processing plant, etc. etc. More significantly, it is a store which is continuously replaced by the flow of energy from the sun through the process of photosynthesis. Sources of biomass energy. Wood ratio, we will already discussed wood residue, agricultural waste, energy crops, animal waste, sewage waste, biofuels. It is also used in biogas, kitchen gas, लाइक एलपीजी के लिए भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एलपीजी की जगह भी हम इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो फार्मूला इज जस्ट सेम, इज जस्ट CS4 जो कि नेचुरल गैस है. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आई थिंक आई होप आपको पूरा टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.